Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing edit with Elementor button. As you can see, I can see this button, but in some pages I can't see that. Okay, so the solution for it, there are several options. Let's say that for this page I can't see edit with Elementor, so there are several solutions. One solution, the easy one, go to Elementor, then go to settings, and here make sure that posts and pages are marked. Okay, of course, click Save Changes in the end. Solution 2 is to disable the plugin Auto Optimize if you have that. Okay, Auto Optimize. This plugin can make some problem. So solution 3 is to disable some plugins. Okay, because sometimes it can be the issue. Try to disable some plugins and check it again. And the last solution, and this solution actually works for me. If I will go to pages, all pages, let's say that this one, I can't, even if I click edit, I can't actually click on the button here, edit with Elementor. So I will just go to plugins, add new, and search duplicate pages. Duplicate page, okay, I can install this one, duplicate page, install now, and activate. Now let's go to the pages again. This one, right? I click duplicate this. This is my blog page, okay? Duplicate. As you can see, this one is the duplicated one, okay? Because it's draft. I click on edit. And now I can see edit with Elementor and it will work. If for any reason you don't see that, okay, try to install 2 additional plugins. This classic editor and advanced editor. That's it. Actually, all the solutions should solve the problem. If it doesn't work, okay, you should contact your hosting company because it can be also the reason. Contact them and ask them why it happens.